Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Merrill Edge provides a comprehensive online brokerage platform, offering a wide array of investment options, catering to both novice and seasoned investors. From stocks and bonds to mutual funds and ETFs, the platform facilitates access to diverse market segments. The interface is designed for user-friendliness, aiming for intuitive navigation and streamlined trading experiences. Merrill Edge is backed by Bank of America, providing a sense of stability and security for users. This connection allows for seamless integration with Bank of America accounts, simplifying fund transfers and account management. Clients can also leverage research tools and educational resources to inform their investment decisions. These resources include market analysis, expert insights, and educational materials aimed at enhancing investment knowledge. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, Merrill Edge offers access to financial advisors who can provide personalized guidance and support. This personalized advice can be particularly valuable for complex financial situations or for those seeking tailored investment strategies. Furthermore, Merrill Edge provides access to banking services, creating a one-stop shop for financial needs. This integration allows users to manage their investments and banking activities in a single, convenient location. The platform also features robust mobile apps, enabling users to monitor their portfolios and execute trades on the go. Mobile accessibility ensures that users can stay connected to their investments regardless of their location. While Merrill Edge offers a robust platform, it's important to consider potential drawbacks, such as fees and commissions. These costs should be carefully evaluated to ensure they align with individual investment goals and budget. Overall, Merrill Edge presents a compelling option for investors seeking a comprehensive and user-friendly platform backed by a reputable financial institution. The platform's diverse investment options, educational resources, and integration with banking services make it a valuable tool for managing personal finances.